In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an extended line on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to draw it, adjust it, and customize it so it fits your trading style. First, open up your Tradingview chart. Make sure you're on the chart where you actually want to draw the extended line, whether that's a stock, crypto, or Forex pair. Once your chart is open, move your mouse to the upper left side of the screen. This is where most of your drawing tools live. In that upper left toolbar, look for the Trendline Tools icon. When you click on it, a small menu will expand with different drawing options. From that list, choose Extended Line. This tool draws a line that keeps going across your chart, which is great for projecting support, resistance, or trend levels into the future. Now, it's time to place your extended line. Click once on your chart to create the first point. This might be a swing high, a swing low, or any important price level you're interested in. Then move your mouse to where you want the second point to be and click again. Tradingview will automatically extend that line in both directions across your chart. Take a moment to look at what this extended line is doing. It stretches through past and future price action, helping you see where price has reacted before and where it might react again. This makes it easier to visualize trends and key levels. You can now clearly see that information right on your chart. If you want to move the line, hover over it until you see the selection handles, then click and drag it to a new area. You can also drag the endpoints to adjust the angle without having to redraw it from scratch. You can customize the appearance of the line as well. When the line is selected, you'll see a small toolbar. From here, you can open templates to quickly apply saved styles. You can change the color to match your chart theme or to differentiate between support and resistance. You can edit the text to label the line with something meaningful, like daily support or trend line. You can adjust the line width to make it thinner or thicker, and change the style to solid, dashed, or dotted. For more detailed options, click on Settings. Here you can fine-tune visibility, coordinates, and other properties. You can also add an alert so you get notified when price touches or crosses your extended line. If you don't want to move it by accident, click the lock option to keep it fixed, and if you no longer need it, click Remove to delete it from your chart. That's the extended line on Tradingview, a simple but powerful tool for visualizing important price levels and trends across your entire chart.